What's essential for me on road trips? I like a really good playlist to listen to while I'm driving.
Sirius satellite radio, 100%. Or good music downloaded on your phone. But you definitely, if you're going on a long road trip, don't want to use YouTube because it'll cost you an arm and a leg on data.
All right.
All right.
Did you learn that from experience?
I sure as heck did. Whoa.
Hey, Earl here.
And Martin.
What I think is very essential for a road trip is good snacks and food.
Well, that's very vague. I firmly believe that what's needed for a good road trip is tunes, good friends, and definitely M&Ms. Peanut M&Ms are essential.
Beef jerky and pillows.
Hey, I'm Riley. Essential for me in a road trip, probably coffee.
I'm Bill, and essential for me on a road trip is Riley. A road trip is not a road trip without this guy.
What a sweetheart.
Hi, my name is Shane Young. What essential for me on a road trip is music.
I am a person who sleeps on road trips unless I'm driving and I need a pillow. 100%.
Flamin' hot Cheetos. There we go. Let me know. Let me know when I'm rolling.
You are rolling.
Malcolm here. What's essential to me on a road trip is a big bag of Flamin' hot.
No.
Because it's the mic. That's why it's funny.
You just look like a crazy person talking into a piece of electronics.
Malcolm here. What's essential to me on a road trip is... It's gotta be in the middle. Malcolm here. What's essential to me on a road trip is a big bag of Flamin' hot Cheetos.